Hi everyone! In this guide, I'll show you how to disable the touchscreen on a Windows 10 device. This can help save battery, avoid accidental touches, or simply let you use your mouse and keyboard more comfortably. Start by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard to open the search bar. This is the quickest way to access system settings and tools on Windows 10. Type Device Manager into the search bar and select it from the results. Device Manager is a key tool for managing your hardware and troubleshooting devices. In Device Manager, expand the Human Interface Devices section. Look for the entry named HID Compliant Touchscreen. This is the device we'll disable. Right-click the HID compliant touchscreen and select Disable Device. Confirm any prompts that appear. Don't worry. This action is completely safe and reversible. Disabling the touchscreen does not affect your data or system integrity. You can always re-enable it later using the same steps if you want touchscreen functionality again. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the touchscreen on Windows 10. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.